According to Radio Ozodi, Sifat Pharma LLC belongs to the daughter of the President of Tajikistan, Parvina Rakhmonova. Parvina is the wife of Ashraf Gulov. Ashraf Gulov is the son of former Energy Minister Gul Sharali. The website of the Ministry of Foreign Affairs of Tajikistan states that Ashraf Gulov served as the ambassador of Tajikistan to Turkey. As we can see, Ashraf Gulov also served as the head of the consular service of the Embassy of the Republic of Tajikistan in the Russian Federation from 2014 to 2017. Currently, Ashraf Gulov is the ambassador of Tajikistan to the United States. Dear immigrants in Russia, have you seen any help from this man? Or have you witnessed the work of this son-in-law of the president? Those of you who have been to Turkey, what kind of help have you received from him? Based on the photo, a visa was introduced between the two countries. Have you seen how the visa situation with Tajikistan has changed since the first days of his appointment as ambassador to the United States? In other words, wherever he went, there was nothing good or bad for the citizens of Tajikistan, except troubles and misfortunes. Don't wait. Chairwoman or representative of the daughter or family of the President of Tajikistan in Sifat Pharma, Sharali Kolova. As you may recall from the previous article, this person is a so-called major investor in the International Bank of Tajikistan and the head of another office of the president's family. In other words, he controls several companies and banks. However, the Unified State Register of Legal Entities shows that the head of this company is actually Hamidov Jamshed Zurakonovich. Sifat Pharma has 18 pharmacies,